If your controller isn't working in REANIMAL, here's how you can fix it on PC and Steam. Most of the time, the issue is how Steam is talking to the game. Right-click REANIMAL in your Steam library and go to Properties. Click the Controller tab on the left. Under Override for REANIMAL, change the setting to Enable Steam Input. Restart your game. This forces Steam to translate your controller's signal into a format the game understands. REANIMAL is very sensitive to other USB devices. If you have a flight stick, a racing wheel, or a Razer Tartarus plugged in, the game might think that is your main controller. Unplug everything except your mouse, keyboard, and the controller you want to use. Then relaunch the game. If the standard launch isn't working, try Big Picture mode. Click the icon on the top right of Steam to enter the console-like interface. Navigate to REANIMAL and hit play. This forces a different driver layer that often solves dead gamepads. If you're on a PS5 DualSense or a newer Xbox controller, make sure your firmware is up to date. Use the PlayStation Accessories or Xbox Accessories app from the Microsoft Store. A quick update can often fix connection drops. And that's how you fix controller or gamepad issues in REANIMAL.